The industry's only modular drone designed specifically for CTE is finally here. We are giving away the very first Drone Pathways package. This isn't just hardware, it's the robust, standards-aligned system you need to turn students into workforce-ready technicians. From modular assembly to autonomous mission planning, be the first to launch a program that grows with your district. To win this drone technology, prove you're ready. Your mission: record a job interview video where you play both roles, the vision-driven CTE teacher and us, PCS Edventures. As PCS, you will ask these 3 questions. 1. Why is your specific CTE program the perfect environment for drone pathways? 2. How will this hands-on approach bridge the gap to technical skills local employers want? 3. How will you use crew resource management to teach the communication and leadership that defines a true professional? Be goofy, have fun, and show us your passion, your vision, and your strategy. Prove you're ready to be the first.